It's made exactly as described in the video. Very nice length, easy to hold even with arthritic hands. Clasps easily, and the closure is difficult to do with one hand, but that little hook goes around the part, the orange part that's sticking up. But anyway, I'm sitting on my bed. This is my power chair over here. And with this gripper, I can easily reach, pick up things that I need to pick up, and bring them over to myself. I like this little creature. It's very well made. And when you close it, like I said, it's hard to do it one-handed because I'm holding my phone with the camera on the other side, but the little hook would go over that orange piece, which I cannot do right now. Anyway, you get the idea.
We finally found the perfect tool for grabbing seaweed and leaves out of the pond. This tool works very, very well. Does exactly what we needed.
Right out of the box, I noticed this handle is wiggling. So there's something wiggling in this region. And then I looked closer and saw this was broken. The packaging didn't seem to be damaged at all, so I'm guessing it was the product. Please fix this, replace it, make it stronger.